narrator-friendly, upbeat tone. Hey there, folks. Welcome back to Americana Classics, your go-to channel for all things vintage and nostalgic in the world of automobiles. Today, we've got a lineup that's sure to get your engines revving. First up, we have a stunning 1967 Mustang in candy apple red. A true beauty with a powerful 289 V8 engine and a top-loader 4-speed transmission. It's got that classic V8 rumble and a fantastic red interior to match. Sure, it's got a bit of patina, but that just adds to its charm. Next, we've got a 1960 for Pontiac Tempest. Packing a punch with its 350 Pontiac engine and a 4-speed manual transmission. With new interior and mechanical upgrades, this baby is ready to hit the road and turn heads wherever it goes. Narrator, now, feast your eyes on this rare gem. A 1956 Continental Mark II. It's a true vintage classic with elegant lines and a spacious interior. Sure, it needs a little TLC, but with its clean title and solid foundation, it's a perfect candidate for restoration or customization. Calling all off-road enthusiasts. Check out this rugged 1957 Willys CJ5 Jeep. It's been beefed up with a 327 Chevy V8 engine, power steering, and brakes, making it ready to tackle any terrain. Whether you're hitting the trails or cruising around town, this Jeep is sure to deliver an unforgettable adventure. Looking for a smooth ride? Look no further than this 1947 Plymouth Special Deluxe with a powerful 350 engine, automatic transmission, and modern upgrades like power steering and front disc brakes. It's the perfect cruiser for those lazy Sunday drives. Get ready to feel the wind in your hair. With this 1965 Ford Fairlane 500, it's been tastefully customized with a 300 V8 engine, vintage air, and power steering, making it a comfortable and reliable ride for everyday enjoyment. Last but certainly not least, we have a true muscle car icon. The 1965 Malibu SS with its big block engine, 4-speed manual transmission and 12-bolt rear end. This beast is ready to unleash its power on the open road. Which one stole your heart? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to stay updated on all the latest from Americana Classics. Until next time, happy cruising! Well, folks, there you have it. 7 incredible classics that are sure to ignite your passion for vintage automobiles.